Ephesians chapter 2 verse 10.
Ascension, praying in the Holy Ghost.
Ephesians chapter 2 verse 10. And I read, for we are his workmanship, created in Christ Jesus for good works, which God prepared beforehand that we should walk in them. For we are his workmanship, created in Christ Jesus for good works, which God prepared beforehand that we should walk in them. Discovering your true nature. I write here from Oxford Dictionary that all plants and animals and all things in the universe are created by God. They are not made by men or caused by the activities of men. Our true nature will only be deployed in God. We can only find our true nature in Christ Jesus. Because of the fall of man, we can only find our true nature in Christ Jesus. And for a man to be able to fulfill his calling and assignment on earth, he needs to have Christ in him. Because Christ in you, the Bible said, is the hope of glory to the